Rajanaik Nainu, Johin de Bogan. I'm not the only one to speak tonight. So, Shub Sandhya. Itne saal ke baad, dil वापस आकर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our incredible ambassador, Madam Diana Miscavige, and the entire team for this beautiful evening. The hard work and dedication have built many bridges between Lithuania and India. I'm sure that this important mission will continue in the future. My word of thanks also go to the sponsors who have been supporting us throughout the years. Aap sabki ko bahut dhanyawad. This night we dedicate, when we celebrate the 35th anniversary of Lithuania's restored independence. What is 35 years? So to compare, let's check the history. India's 35th anniversary of independence was celebrated in 1982. That was a remarkable year, indeed, at least because of three things. First, the 9 Asian Games were held in Delhi, bringing together over 3,000 athletes from 33 countries. Second, the first color television broadcast was transmitted on Independence Day of India, 15th of August. And thirdly, on that year, in 1982, Bollywood released its famous disco dance. Now by host Jimmy, Jaja, millions of enthusiasts continue to dance to this day. So in 2025, Lithuania celebrates its 35th anniversary of restored independence, standing proud and firm. Today, Lithuania ranks 37th on the UN Human Development Index, and she keeps that place for almost a decade. Lithuania just recently has achieved full energy independence. So Madam Ambassador, we actually have 3 Independence Day today, because we completely decoupled from the Russian electricity grid and desynchronized ourselves with Western electricity grids. Today, over 60% of our electricity is produced domestically, and it's primarily from wind and solar. This is a huge step forward.